Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at two of the most captivating birds in the world, cockatoos and parrots. With their vibrant colors, clever personalities, and of course their amazing ability to mimic sounds, these birds have captured the attention and affection of people everywhere. But what makes them so special? How do they master vocal mimicry? And what interesting behaviors do they show when it's time to mate? Let's dive in. One of the most incredible things about cockatoos and parrots is their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. But why and how do they do it? These birds have highly developed vocal organs that allow them to produce a wide range of sounds. Unlike us, parrots don't have vocal cords. Instead, they use a specialized voice box called a syrinx, located at the base of their trachea. The syrinx is extremely flexible, allowing parrots to control airflow and mimic everything from other bird calls to human words and even household noises. But there's more to it than just anatomy. Parrots and cockatoos are social animals. They live in groups, and communication is key to their survival. In the wild, parrots learn to mimic the calls of their flock members to identify with their group. When kept as pets, they transfer this instinct to mimic human voices, which they interpret as part of their social group. They're not just copying us for fun, they're engaging and connecting with us. Parrots and cockatoos are some of the smartest birds on the planet. Studies have shown that certain species like the African grey parrot have intelligence comparable to a young child. They can solve puzzles, understand concepts like colors and shapes, and even use tools. Some parrots, like the famous Alex the African grey, have learned over 100 words and can use them in context, showing an impressive understanding of language. In fact, researchers believe that parrots' intelligence plays a big role in their ability to mimic sounds. These birds have a deep understanding of social interactions and can even learn what sounds get the most reactions from humans. So, when your pet parrot repeats a phrase, they're often doing it because they know it'll make you respond with excitement or laughter. They're as clever as they are charming. Now let's talk about romance in the bird world. When it comes to finding a mate, cockatoos and parrots have some fascinating and complex rituals. For starters, parrots and cockatoos are monogamous. Once they find a mate, they often stay together for life, which is quite rare in the animal kingdom. To impress a potential partner, male parrots put on an impressive display. Cockatoos, for example, have unique courtship dances that involve bobbing, head turning, and showing off their colorful crests. They're also known to make particular sounds or even sing to attract their mates. After forming a bond, parrots and cockatoos will preen each other's feathers to strengthen their relationship. This behavior, called allopreening, is a way for them to build trust and show affection. It's a beautiful and touching behavior that highlights just how deeply bonded these birds can become with their mates. When it's time to raise a family, both parents share responsibilities. They take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the young, showcasing true teamwork. This cooperative parenting is part of why these birds form such strong, lasting bonds. There are so many fascinating things about these birds that make them more than just beautiful faces in the animal kingdom. Here are some unique facts about cockatoos and parrots. First, incredible longevity. Parrots and cockatoos are among the longest living birds, with some species living 50 years or more. In fact, certain parrots can outlive their owners, which is something potential pet owners need to consider. Second, complex social structures. In the wild, parrots and cockatoos live in large flocks and establish strong social hierarchies. They use vocalizations, body language, and grooming to communicate and form social bonds. Third, tool use. Some parrot species like the Goffin's cockatoo have been observed using tools in the wild to get food. They can even plan ahead, using sticks or leaves to reach insects or seeds hidden in hard-to-reach places. Fourth, they can dance to music. Unlike most animals, parrots can move in sync with music. Research has shown that they can actually match beats, and many parrot owners have seen their birds bobbing and moving along to songs. It's a unique ability that's fun to watch and shows just how responsive parrots are to rhythm and sound. Finally, bright colors for camouflage and communication. The bright feathers of parrots and cockatoos serve more than one purpose. In tropical environments, Vibrant colors can actually help them blend into the colorful foliage, keeping them safe from predators. And among their flocks, colors help communicate species identity and even individual health. While cockatoos and parrots are popular pets, they're not the right fit for everyone. These birds are incredibly intelligent and social, which means they require a lot of attention, mental stimulation, and commitment. Without enough interaction, parrots can develop behavioral issues like feather plucking or excessive screaming. Additionally, parrots and cockatoos have long lifespans. They can live for decades, and some can outlive their owners. This is a big responsibility that requires careful consideration, as these birds need consistent care and a stimulating environment for their entire lives. There's also the ethical side of keeping parrots as pets. In many cases, parrots are taken from the wild to be sold as pets, which can have devastating effects on wild populations. Conservationists urge that if people do want a pet parrot, they should only adopt from reputable sources, preferably those that specialize in rehoming birds. Parrots and cockatoos play a crucial role in their ecosystems, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. These birds are important seed dispersers, helping to maintain healthy forests by spreading seeds as they travel and forage. This activity supports biodiversity and promotes the growth of various plant species, which in turn supports other wildlife. In some regions like the Amazon rainforest, the presence of parrots indicates a thriving ecosystem. Their role in seed dispersal makes them a keystone species, meaning that they play a crucial part in maintaining the health of their habitat. From their colorful feathers and playful personalities to their incredible intelligence and strong family bonds, cockatoos and parrots are truly remarkable creatures. Their ability to mimic sounds, bond with their mates, and play a key role in their ecosystems makes them not only fascinating but also invaluable to the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of cockatoos and parrots. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing birds, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you love most about them. Until next time, let's continue to celebrate and protect our feathered friends.